Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to save space on your device by compressing your files? In earlier iOS versions, creating zip files on your iPhone or iPad was a hassle. But in this video, I will show you how you can do it in seconds. Let's go. First, update your device to its latest version because only iOS 13 and later versions can compress files without the need for third-party apps. Now, open the pre-installed Files app. You can choose a location either locally, on your iPhone, or on iCloud Drive. Open the folder you want to compress and tap on the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Select to choose one or more files. I will tap on Select All because I want to zip all these images. Then tap the three dots button again on the bottom right corner and choose Compress. If you selected only one file, a zip with the same file name will be saved. If you compressed multiple files, a zip archive will be saved under the file name archive.zip. To rename that, press and hold the zip archive and select Rename. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.